Hey everybody, just wanted to do a little video on a product I received. This is supposed to be 4K UHD wide-angle lens card drive recorder with built-in Wi-Fi dashboard and GPS, blah blah blah. $28 US. And it's supposed to come with all kinds of crap that's missing. This looks like it's probably the rear view camera. It's supposed to plug into a head unit. I'll show a picture following this. It'll show you the website details and stuff. So I received this. Of course, it's not as expected. I put in a PayPal claim, and I get the runaround from PayPal. You have to send it back. Well, to send this all the way back to China is going to be $80, and that's not even with tracking. So you need tracking because they're just going to say they never received it if you don't put tracking on it. So $80-$90. PayPal's coming back. Well, we give $30 towards sending it back. Well, whippy-doo. I mean, the stuff cost me $50. So if I send that back, I'm out $50 sending it back anyways. So what's the point? And they sort of know this. I'm sure they know this. China sends it to you. Their government is subsidizing the shipping. It doesn't cost them anything to ship it over here. So you pay $28 and it's at your door. And then, they just screw you. I don't know if other people have been ripped off for this. This is why I want to put up this video, because there's no way you can give feedback. It's not an eBay purchase. This is a purchase off a website. And, of course, they, on the website, they write, PayPal protection. Well, yeah, like I said, whippy-doo. If I got to pay $80 to send it back, there's no protection there. And I'm pretty sure they know that, and that I wouldn't be surprised if screwing a lot of people over this way. So that's why I wanted to put up this video. People beware. I don't know. I think eBay gives you better protection than PayPal does. PayPal's out to get their money, and they're not going to lose money by refunding it to you from the seller. I think I'm going to have to be very watchful as to where I'm buying stuff from now on. Amazon seems to have a pretty good policy. And I think with eBay, if I bought it through eBay, I might have fared a bit better on getting my money back. But this is totally useless crap to be. The company offered 10% refund, and I went back and said, you gave me like something, I can't use this. It's no good at all. I mean, you got to plug this thing into the head unit. It does have an SD card slot. I haven't tried it to see exactly what it does, but I mean, there's no way to line up the view with the camera or nothing. So it's no Wi-Fi generated from this. So you don't know what you're looking at. So they came back a second time and said, oh, we'll give you 20% off. And I basically went back to them and said, screw it. I'm not going to bother. And I said, I'm going to make a video and post it. And I'll make sure there's a bunch of hashtags with their sites. I noticed that the V-Lucky site is already down. It was called, let's see here, V-luckyday .com. So whether or not that site will be up in the next couple days, I don't know. It seems to be gone for a while. I can't view my order or nothing on that. So it seems to be down altogether. Anyways, the other site that I'm seeing it listed on is called Lookabuy, LOKABUY.com. And if you Google the service email address that this is coming from, service at V-luckyday.com, that site comes up too. So they have a number of sites that they're dealing with. I wouldn't be all surprised that the V-Lucky-Day one is shut down and they're now dealing from a new web address, but weren't smart enough to change the email address, maybe because all their PayPal payments are getting paid to that. Who knows? But anyways, a couple pictures to follow to show you exactly what you should get with this, and comments that I've made. Just be careful when you're buying.